Unlocking the power of email marketing is crucial for your business seeking higher engagement and conversions. Today, we're delving into Omnisend, a top-notch SMS and email marketing platform. If you work in marketing or a business owner or a solopreneur, after this video, you'll have learned how to engage your customers, drive conversions, and grow your business with so little effort that you'll be amazed at how simple it is to achieve great results with Omnisend. Stick around for a quick tour of what Omnisend brings to the table, its key features, pricing, and a speedy how-to guide. So, what is Omnisend? It's your go-to solution for communicating with customers via email, SMS, push notifications, and more. Tailor campaigns based on customer behavior, track performance, and automate repetitive tasks. Omnisend is designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, aiming to enhance customer engagement and fuel business growth. Omnisend transforms your marketing strategy with a suite of powerful features. With Omnisend, you can build automated workflows using pre-built templates for email, SMS, and push notifications. These templates come with preset triggers and timing, which you can further customize to meet your unique business needs. Design stunning emails without any coding skills. Thanks to the intuitive drag-and-drop builder, you can easily add text, images, and interactive elements to your emails. Segment your audience like a pro, sending targeted messages that resonate. Advanced segmentation lets you target customers based on behavior and preferences. Reach customers where they are, whether it's email or SMS. Push notifications. You can send instant updates to desktop or mobile devices, personalized based on past behavior. Trigger messages based on real-time behavior, like abandoned carts or product views. For example, you can send a welcome email to new subscribers or a birthday promotion to loyal customers. This feature helps you deliver the right message at the right time and nurture your relationships with your customers. A/B test your campaigns to find what works best. You can experiment with different subject lines, content, and send times and use the results to optimize your future campaigns. Track results with detailed reporting. You can see key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, as well as detailed customer behavior data. Plus, connect seamlessly with all major e-commerce platforms. Pop-ups and forms, seamless migration tools, robust integration, and a wealth of additional features. Discover all these features and more by checking them out for yourself to gain a comprehensive understanding. Now, getting started with Omnisend is a breeze. You can kick off your SMS and email marketing journey for free, accommodating up to 250 contacts with 500 monthly email sends and 500 web notifications. The free plan is ideal for starting businesses or those who want to explore Omnisend's features. However, if your business outgrows this limit, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Pricing scales with your business growth, aligning with the number of contacts you have. Omnisend, though, stands out as one of the most cost-effective email service providers, offering advanced features. Plus, by utilizing my provided link and exclusive discount code, you can enjoy an additional 10% off during the first year. Now, let's dive into the tutorial where we'll guide you from setting up your account to creating a new campaign. To begin using Omnisend, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description and an exclusive discount Omnisend arranged just for you. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start Free button. By clicking on this button, you will be redirected to the registration page. On the registration page, you have the choice to sign up using your Shopify account, Google account, or by providing your email address. Select the option that best suits your preferences and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Omnisend has more than 130 integrations, so you can be sure that your sales will be boosted with it. Once you have successfully registered, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. When you access your account dashboard, you will notice a top menu that provides easy navigation to important tabs. These tabs include Dashboard, Campaigns, Automation, Forms, Audience, Reports, and Account. The Dashboard tab offers an overview of your goals and sales performance and provides a live view of your activities. Additionally, you have the option to integrate your account with other e-commerce platforms, enabling seamless data sharing and synchronization. Under the Campaigns tab, you can create email campaigns with the assistance of an AI assistant. This feature helps streamline the process of designing and executing effective email marketing campaigns. The Automation tab allows you to automate your marketing efforts, enabling you to sell more with less manual effort. This feature helps you set up automated workflows and triggers based on customer behavior, ensuring timely and relevant communication. In the Forms tab, you can create eye-catching forms to collect subscribers right from the start. These forms are designed to attract and engage potential customers, facilitating the growth of your subscriber base. The Audience tab provides an overview of your contact list, segments, pre-built segments, and customer breakdown, as well as options for importing and exporting data. You can organize your audience into specific segments and utilize pre-built segments for targeted marketing campaigns. You can create unlimited segments so your messages are personalized and doesn't even seem like a marketing email. Under the Reports tab, you can access standard and advanced reports to gain insights into your email marketing performance. This includes information on deliverability rates, open rates, click-through rates, and more. These reports help you assess the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. The Account tab allows you to view the number of free emails and SMS messages remaining in your account. Additionally, you can manage your account settings, configure store settings, connect your store with other platforms, and perform other administrative tasks. Keep in mind that SMS is supported in every country, so no matter where your clients are, you'll be able to reach them. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your Omnisend account, offering a range of features and tools to streamline your marketing efforts and enhance your business's growth. Next, let's see how to create a campaign in Omnisend. To start a new campaign in Omnisend, go to the Campaigns tab. But before you do that, make sure to add your email list to your account. You can do this by clicking on the Audience tab at the top. This will take you to the Contact List page. To add a contact, look for the Add Contact button. When you click on it, a window will appear with different ways to add your contacts. You can manually enter the information for one contact, copy and paste their details, import a file, accepts formats like XLS, XLSX, ODS, CSV, or use our tools to sync your contacts from MailChimp or Klaviyo. Having successfully added the email, it's time to return to the campaign creation process. Start by clicking on the Campaigns tab. This will take you to the Campaigns window. Here, you will find a Create New Campaign button. Click on this button to initiate the creation of a new campaign. Once clicked, you will be redirected to another page. On the new page, you will need to choose the type of campaign you want to create. Omnisend offers several options, including email campaigns, email A/B test campaigns, SMS campaigns, and push notification campaigns. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume we want to create an email campaign, so click on Create Email. After clicking on Create Email, you will be taken to the Settings page. Here you will see that there are 5 stages involved in creating an email campaign. The first step is the Settings stage. In this stage, you need to generate the subject line for your campaign. Enter your desired subject line in the Subject Line field, and then click on the Generate Subject Line button. Omnisend will now generate multiple subject lines for your campaign. You can choose any of the suggested subject lines simply by clicking on the Apply button next to the desired subject line. Once applied, the selected subject line will automatically be added to the Subject Line field. If you want to boost your campaign, you can tick the box next to the Boost My Campaign option. This feature helps optimize your campaign for better performance. Next, provide the sender's name and email address. These details will be displayed as the sender's information in the recipient's inbox. Additionally, enter the pre-header, which is a short text that follows the subject line of your emails, in the pre-header field. This pre-header text provides a glimpse of the email content and can entice recipients to open the email. Enter the campaign name, which is for internal use, in the campaign field. Choose the desired language for your campaign. If you want to connect your Facebook account for additional functionality, click on Connect next to the Facebook option. Once you have completed these settings, click on Next Step to proceed to the template stage. In the second stage, which is the template selection stage, you will need to choose a professionally designed email template. You can choose from more than 250 email templates suitable for various holidays, occasions, and campaigns. These templates are created to help you succeed in your campaign goals and make your emails visually appealing on any device. The templates are categorized for easy navigation. You can choose a template from the available options or select from your saved templates. For this tutorial, let's scroll down and choose a template named Accessories. When hovering over the template, you will see 2 options. Use Template, and Preview. Click on Use Template to proceed with the selected template. This will take you to the next step, which is the Content stage. In the Content stage, you will be presented with an editor where you can customize the content of the selected template according to your preferences. Take your time to personalize the template to align with your branding and campaign message. Customize elements such as text, images, colors, and layout until you are satisfied with the result. Once you have completed the customization, click on the Finish Editing button located at the top right corner of the editor. This will save your changes and takes you to the next step. In the Recipient stage, you will need to choose the recipients to whom you want to send the email campaign. You have two options. You can click on the radio button next to All Subscribers to send the campaign to all of your subscribers, or you can select the radio button next to Let Me Choose Segments to choose a specific segment of your subscribers. Select the desired option based on your campaign targeting strategy. Once you have made your selection, click on Next Step to proceed to the final step of the campaign creation process. The final stage is the Review stage. Here you will have the opportunity to review all of the information and settings of your campaign. You can overview all the stages of your campaign, including the settings, template, and recipient selection. If you need to make any changes, you can edit the respective stages. Take the time to carefully review all the details and ensure everything is in order. Once you are satisfied with the campaign setup, click on the Send Now button to initiate the sending of your campaign. By following these steps, you will be able to create and send your customized campaign to the chosen recipients, effectively reaching out to your subscribers with your tailored message. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Omnisend. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description and use my code DIGITAL10, that's digital10, to get a 10% discount for the first 3 months of a paid plan. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.